Welcome to the in front of me REALME C35, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So just a couple of minutes ago I set up my face recognition here, and now I'll just make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we'll see how fast this feature is. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the face unlock works here really fast. That's a really good result for this device, and as can you see, I just can unlock the device less than in half of seconds. So I suggest you to try the face unlock method here. If you don't like the passcodes, pin codes, you can use the face unlock, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode, pin code or pattern. And I just want to try one more thing here. I'll just set up my face recognition here without the glasses, and now I'll just try to wear the glasses, and we'll see does this unlock method works or just the same fast like without the glasses. So as can you see, I just do this with the glasses here, so we have no here just any difference. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.